Welcome to my channel.
Now let's get cooking. Add the shrimp, the sausages, or whatever thing you like. The chicken strips, beef strips. Then add all the seasoning you want. Add water to steam it. Make sure it's fully cooked. Then chop all your veggies, onion, pepper, garlic. When it's all done, put it aside. Now put your vegetable oil. Fry your garlic first. Don't fry for too long. It burns up really quickly. Now add your onions and your pepper. Just a few seconds to steam up. Chop or slice your cabbage, whichever way you like it. Add it to the steaming onions and garlic. Now you add more seasoning and herbs, the ones you like. I like to put Italian seasoning and so many other seasonings, herbs, and what have you, curry. Now add the shrimp broth. Stir it and cover it. Give it a minute to steam up, and voila, it's done. I can eat this every day, believe you me. This is so good. What do you all think? Will you try to make it? Tell me what you think in the comment below. See you again soon. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and share. Oh guys, this is good.